I'd like to introduce everyone to our new Model 500, our new stand-on spreader sprayer. So to be a leader in application products. So both our solid granular as well as liquid chemicals. A lot of really positive innovations on this machine. The primary distinguishing feature is the pivoting front end, which allows the front wheels to stay on the ground, also allows the spray tip nozzles to stay an even distance off of the ground to really improve the efficiency and even application of product. This particular machine is a 60-gallon capacity and 250-pound capacity machine. We also have a matching 50-gallon and also an 80-gallon machine. So there is a family of product to find the right spec that you're looking for. You're going to notice that the accessibility into the machine is tremendous. You can get to the parts. If something breaks, it is easy to reach in there and get to it. Filters, adjustments, backup panels. So it really is to maximize uptime. Very accessible pumps. And the bottom line is a very reliable and dependable machine for your application renovation needs.